What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today got some friends. We're gonna do Angeles crest. There's gonna be an F90 M5, G82 M4, and then my friend Matt's E92 M3. And I'll get back to you guys once I hit Angeles crest. Here's the lineup so far, guys. And I forgot to mention, but we're actually gonna be meeting up with someone with a E92 M3 also. But just the M5 and the E92 M3 and the G82 for right now. But I'll get back to you guys on my Angeles crest. Peace. All right, guys, I think we're getting close to Angeles crest. And keep in mind, I've never been here before, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhere it's just these mountains. There's some road that like cruises through them, but I'm not 100% sure, so. But overall, the view is super crazy driving in through here. We saw a sick GT3, but yeah, I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, we made it to the gas station before Angeles crest. M5, M4, and two E92 M3s over there, but we're about to rip. This is the bear, and yeah, see ya.
Oh no, these come black.
Oh shit, bro. All right, guys, we made it to Angeles crest. This road's already pretty crazy. Like, we're like only like 45 seconds in, but we got stuck behind traffic, unfortunately. But this road's pretty gnarly so far. Like, definitely, I can see how people crash on this road. You guys gotta be super careful, but it's a beautiful road though. Like, you're surrounded by the mountains and everything, crazy cars, but. Alright, guys, we got a pretty good lineup of cars. We got the G82, E92 M3, G82, F90 M5, E92 M3, and an E46 M3 that's in seal gray, which is my color, of course. But we got a pretty cool lineup so far, and this road's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. But there's honestly a good amount of traffic, though. Maybe because it's like 10:43, but I don't know. Maybe this road would be super good on like sunrise or something.
It's also Saturday.
Yeah, it is also Saturday, that's true. All right, guys, we made it to a first turnout. There's the G82, other G82, F90. Let me show you guys the cars real quick. We got this one, of course. So we got a super sick lineup. This road is actually insane, guys. Like, you gotta be super careful driving on this road. You wanna be super careful driving on this road because a lot of the time I'm noticing there's like rock chips and stuff like that. Or not just rock chips, but like big rocks that slide down these mountains. But, I mean, still though, the road is a lot of fun, but this view is actually like the highlight, I think, in my opinion. But also just ripping cars through the canyons is super fun, but yeah. wow, F90. Oh, look at that.
That's sick.
Cruising along the road. Dude, this car handles really good. This car's so fun, bro. My arm's so tense.
Take note, that's a GM3. That's a GM3 muscle relaxer right there.
Damn, this thing rails. I've arrived. Oh, did you see that rock he just kicked up? Let's pick it up. Jeez, dude. All right, guys, we made it back to the house in LA, and this view is absolutely insane. And then we're grilling some fajitas over there, chicken, but the view is insane. Let me show you guys this real quick. This is the grill over there. And then you can see downtown LA. He stopped, dude. And then got a little fire over there, but yes, sir. Let me show you guys the final result of fajitas. We're not sure if the chicken's done or not. We're pretty sure it is, but let's hope it's good. I'll show you guys right now. That shit looks gassed. Rate that out of 10, rate that out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Okay, bet.